In this video, I'll be describing how to install an in-wall touchscreen. We begin by using the key provided to remove the faceplate. We'll be removing the screws along the outer edge of the panel. These are the screws that attach the panel to the back box. As soon as you remove the panel from the back box, please be sure to record the serial number located on the back of the panel. It'll be on a black and white sticker. You'll need this serial number to activate the panel while calling support. This model represents the inside of a wall. You need to make sure that before carving space out in the wall, that there are studs nearby that the back box can mount to. The white pieces indicate studs. Make sure that the back box is not completely flush with the wall. It'll need to stick out at least a 1/16 of an inch. The next step is to screw the back box into the surrounding studs. This will secure it in place. Now we're going to apply silicone around the edge of the back box where the back box meets the wall. This will ensure a watertight seal. With silicone applied, we can then mount the panel to the back box. Now we can screw in the panel. Make sure all the screws are attached. Our last step will be to attach the faceplate. Don't forget to lock the faceplate with the keys provided.